Hello, friends. Today's story is about a dog named Rex who loves adventures. Listen and practice. This is Rex. He is brown. He has a red collar. Rex likes to go to the park with his friend Sarah. He likes to eat bones and drink a lot of water. Rex likes to play with his blue ball and chase colorful butterflies. While playing, he found a mysterious map. Excited, he barked to get Sarah's attention. They decided to follow the map. The map led them to a beautiful forest where they discovered a hidden treasure chest of gold coins filled with chocolate. Rex and Sarah enjoyed the delicious chocolate and headed home.